Ever wonder why some websites just feel right the moment you land on them? It's not magic, it's great UI design. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create interfaces that not only look stunning, but also make users stick around longer. If you're ready to take your UI design skills to the next level, keep watching. Hi, I'm Ricardo, and today we're diving into the core principles of UI design. Whether you are just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, I'll walk you through the key principles that make an interface not only beautiful, but also user-friendly. Let's kick things off with clarity. The best designs are the ones that guide users without them even realizing it. Imagine landing on a website and knowing exactly where to go next. That's clarity at work. Make your navigation intuitive, use clear buttons, and ensure every element has a purpose. Remember, if your users have to think too hard about what to do next, you have already lost them. Next is familiarity. Users shouldn't have to relearn how to navigate your website or app. They expect certain things to be where they've already found them, like the menu at the top or the shopping cart icon in the corner. By keeping your design familiar, you reduce the learning curve, making your interface easier and quicker to use. Let's talk about user control. No one likes feeling trapped in a website or application. Always give your users an easy way to undo actions or backtrack without losing progress. Think of it as giving them an emergency exit button. When users feel in control, they are more confident exploring your site. Now onto visual hierarchy. This is all about guiding the user's eye to the most important parts of your interface. Use color to make call to action buttons pop, size to prioritize headlines, fonts to create structure, and negative space to give your design breathing room. When done right, hierarchy ensures that users know exactly where to look and what to do next. Then there's flexibility. Your design should work seamlessly across all devices, from the oldest laptop to the newest smartphone. But flexibility isn't just about responsiveness, it's also about catering to different user needs. For example, providing shortcuts for power users or offering advanced search options for those who need them. Finally, we have accessibility. Your design should be usable by everyone, including people with disabilities. This means ensuring strong color contrast, adding alt text to images, and make sure your site can be navigated via keyboard. Accessibility isn't just a nice to have, it's essential for reaching the widest possible audience. Now that we have covered the core principles, let's dig into something that will take your design to the next level. Ben Shneiderman's 8 Golden Rules of User Interface Design. These rules are the secret sauce behind some of the most successful user interfaces. Let's start with consistency. Keep things consistent across your interface. Same colors, same fonts, and same layouts. This builds trust and makes navigation a breeze for users. Shortcuts. Give your power users shortcuts. Just like Ctrl+C to copy, shortcuts speed up navigation and make your site feel more intuitive. Feedback. Always provide feedback, whether it's a button lighting up when clicked or a loading spinner. The user should never be left wondering if this action worked or not. Dialog closure. Organize actions into clear steps with a beginning, a medium, and an end. A simple thank you page after a purchase does wonders for user satisfaction. Prevent errors. Make it hard for users to mess up. Disable buttons when they shouldn't be clickable, or prevent alphabet input where just numbers are needed. Then the undo. Mistakes happen, so you should make it easy for users to undo actions. This encourages exploration without fear of messing up. User control. Experienced users want control. Don't surprise them with sudden changes. Let them feel like they are in the driver's seat. Reduce memory load. You should minimize what users need to remember. Pre-fill forms where you can, and use tooltips to explain actions. So there you have it, the core principles of UI design and the golden rules that can transform your projects from good to great. Great design isn't just about making something look pretty, it's also about making it functional, intuitive, and accessible for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on these topics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.